Cum să-i spun apulele? Dar mai am un Blizzard. Oh, Darren Jesus! Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Darren Jesus is unfucking real. He just surrendered a 20. Get a bug out. $150.